Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Miracles of Math. So we are in the topic sequences and series, and we will continue with that. So today in the topic arithmetic progression, we will see sum to n terms of an AP. Sum to n terms of an AP. So what is the meaning of that? Let us take one simple arithmetic progression. Let us say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. This is an arithmetic progression. Now my question is, find all the 100 terms and add all of them and give me the answer. Please find all the 100 terms after this, all the 100 terms in the sequence, and add all of them and tell me the answer. So how long you take? You will take a lot of time. But is there any formula for that we can bring so that we can directly use for this as well as for any problem? Yes, we have a very simple method to derive the formula. Let us see quickly. Let us take the elements as the first element is A, next A plus D, the next one is A plus 2D, so on. The last element will be A plus n minus 1 into D, and the before element, this is a Tn, nth element, remember, A plus n minus 1 into D, and this is A plus n minus 2 into D. That is a n minus 1th element, and in place of n, replace n minus 1, you will get this term. Correct. This is the sequence, this is a series, arithmetic progression. So I will represent Sn. What is Sn meaning? Sum to n terms. Sum to n terms. That means it is A plus D plus A plus 2D plus so on till the last element A plus n minus 1 into D. How many terms are here? Can you tell me? This is the nth term, students. Nth term means we are having n terms in that. As is the nth term, we are having n terms in that. So quickly, what I will do, I will again write Sn. I will again write Sn from the end. From the end. That is, I will write the last term first, which is A plus n minus 1 into D, and next A plus n minus 2 into D, plus so on till the first element is A. That is also sum. We can add 1, 3, 5 or 5, 3, 1. We will give you the same answer. So add these two, what happens? Add these two. Sn plus Sn will give you 2 times of Sn. Sn plus Sn will give you 2 times of Sn. A, so you add correspondingly. You add these two. You add these two. Okay, I will tell you why. A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the first, these two. Plus, what about this one? A plus A, it is again 2A plus D and n minus 2 into D. N minus 2 into D plus D. So it is n minus 2D plus D, which is n minus D. Correct. It is this is ND. ND minus 2D, so it is ND minus D. So if you take D common, it is n minus 1 times of D. D plus n minus 2 into D will give you n minus 1 into D. So I will write that. So it is these two sum will give you again n minus 1 into D. Okay. So this is the second term, this is the first term, plus so on till what is the last element? Can you tell me? The last element will be A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Carefully observe, is there any pattern in the sum? If you carefully observe, each and every element will give you the same answer. I will tell you with small example. 1, 3, 5. Write in the reverse. 5, 3, 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So each and every element will give you same term. Each and every term will be same. So how many terms are there? I told you there are n terms. We are adding n terms. That is what Sn meaning. Sum to n terms. Okay. So when you add n terms, so 2 times of Sn will be n times of this term. N times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Is that correct? You are adding the same term n times. So this is the answer. Bring this 2 here. So that is the sum to n terms. We have the formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So that is a simple formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Now, see, we can write this in another format, that is n by 2 into a plus, I am writing 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. This 2a I am writing as a plus a, and this is a plus n minus 1 into d. So, what happens here? This is nothing but the nth term. Can you remember that? Can you specify? Recognize a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the nth term. Or in this sequence, it is the last term. As we are finding till n terms, in this sequence, it is the last term. So, last term I will represent with L. L represents last term. So, this is n by 2 into a plus L. Even this formula can be used, or this formula can be used. Both are same. This is the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Let us see some examples and then you will understand better. So once again I will write the formula for you. Sum to n terms. Sum to n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or the same thing can also be written as n by 2 into a plus L, where a is the first term and L is the last term, that is the nth term. Let us quickly have an example. Find the sum of first 20 terms in the AP 1, 4, 7, 10, so on. Find the sum of first 20 terms. So find all 20 and add. It is very easy, right? No, you have formulas, we will try to use that. So, you have the first element A as 1 and you have the common difference D as 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 10 minus 7, 4, 10 minus 7 is 3. So, the common difference is being constant, that is 3. So, what is the Sn formula? What is n? We need to find 20 elements. We need to find the sum of 20 elements. So, n is 20. What is Sn now? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So, what is n by 2? 20 by 2 is 10. 20 by 2 is 10. 10 into 2 times of a. 2 times of a, that is 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into what is n? N is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19 into d. What is d? D is 3. D is 3. Correct. So, 10 times of 2 plus 19 3s. How much is 19 3s? 57. It is 57. 57 plus 2 is 59. 59 into 10 is 590. 59 into 10 is 590. So, in this sequence, if you go 1, 4, 7, 10 in the same way, if you go till 20 and you add all of them, you will get the answers 590. That is 590. Alright. So, let us have one more question. Find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. What a question it is. How this is linked with at least AP. How is this linked with AP? Let us check. What was the question? Find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers. 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 7. Which are divisible by 7. See here. 3-digit numbers, that means which starts with actually 100 and which ends with 999. But he is saying that find the sum of all 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 7. So, is 100 divisible by 7? Let us check. 700, 71, 730, 74. No, it is not divided. What is, as it is 14, let us go for the next one, that is 15. What is 15? 7s, 7 5s, 35, 7 1s, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is that meaning? The first element in the 3 digits, that is being 105. 105 will be the first element which is divided by 7. Which is divisible by 7 is 105. So on, what is the last term, do we know? We don't know that. What we will do? Let us divide this one with 7. 7 999, 7 ones are 7, you have 2, 29, 7 fours, 28, 1, 9, 7 twos, 14, you still have the balance as 5. What we'll do? We will see, as remainder is 5, 999 minus 5 is 994. I'll see whether 994 is divisible by 7 or not. 994 with 7. 7 1 7. This is 2. 7 2s. This 29. 7 4s 28. 1 4. Yes, 7. That is 142 times of 7 is 994. Why I need this information is, see, 999 is not divisible by 7. So what is the last number? Up to where I need to go? That I need to go till 994. So 994 will be my last element. 994 will be the last element. Can you tell me what is the common difference for this one? Common difference is it is a 7 multiple. So after every 7 elements, the common difference is 7. 7, 14, 21. What is the common difference? 14 minus 7 is 7. 21 minus 14 is 7. In that way, the common difference will be 7. So, but we don't need this one because as we have this formula. Okay. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. What is n? How many elements are there? We know that. We don't know that. See the question. What was the question? Find the sum of all 3-digit natural numbers. But still we don't have the n. We need to find n. How? It is the nth term, right? This is the last term. So, we have the formula for nth term. What is nth term formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. So, what is a? 105 plus n minus 1 into d. The common difference 7. And this for some value of n will be 994. Will be equal to 994. That is a Tn, nth term. So, 7 times of n minus 1 is equal to 994 minus 105 will give you 94 minus 5 is 889. So, n minus 1 will be equal to 889 by 7. Let us find the value of that. 7 and 889. 7 1 7 1 8 7 2s 14. You have 4 9 7 4 7. 7 7s are 49. So, it is equal to 127. So, you will get n is equal to 128. What is the meaning of n equal to 128? 128th element in this sequence is 994. 128th element is 994. So, you have n with you, you have a with you, you have the last term with you. So, we will try to find the sum. So, Sn is equal to n by 2 into, that is 128 by 2 into a plus l, 105 plus l. The last term is 994. Let us quickly check this one. 2 1s, 2 64s. 64 into 105 plus 999. 9, this 5 will go here, 99. So, 994 and 105. 991099. So, just take the value of this one. 64 into 1099. If your calculation is correct, it should be 70336. 70336. And just check if there is any mistake. Even I may do some mistakes, but the concept remains the same. Once again, I will tell you what we have done. All 3 digits sum which are divisible by 7, we need to find that. So, 3 digits starts from 100 and ends with 999. But in our sequence, 100 is not the first digit. Sorry, 100 is not the first digit. So, the first digit is which is divisible by 7, that is 105. And the last digit will be 994. How many numbers are there in this? How many terms are there? So, for that we need to find n through nth term. So, that we got it as 128. So, we have the first term, you have number of terms, you have last term. So, use the formula to get the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Let us quickly see one more example on the sum of terms and we will stop it here. Find the sum of all odd integers between 2 and 100 divisible by 3. Sum of all odd integers between 2 and 100. Between 2 and 100. Between 2 and 100. All the sum of all the numbers which are divisible by 3. So, the first number will be 3. The last number will be 99, which are divisible. And how we will get n? So, as common difference, this is the first element is 3. Common difference is 3. Yes or no? The next element will be 6. Common difference is 3. And Tn, nth term is 99. Nth term is 99. So, you can find What is nth term? 99 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is again 3. 99 plus 3, 99, and this 3 will come here, 96 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 times 3, 32 is equal to n minus 1, and n is 33. So the 33rd term is 99. So from here you can find the value of Sn. How you will find Sn? N by 2 into a plus l. What is n? N is 33. 33 by 2 into a plus l. 3 plus 99. So just calculate the value of this one. You will get it. So the answer for this is 867. Just check that one. Sum of all odd integers. Sum of all integers between 2 and 100 divisible by 3. Okay. Now let us so this is not 867, sorry, you just calculate, it will not be 867. Now the question in this, I'll change the question, that actually we have confused with the question here. I didn't read the question properly. Sum of all odd integers. What I have done is sum of all integers that are divisible by 3. That's the thing we have found out. But the question is, find the sum of all odd integers between 2 and 100 divisible by 3. Sum of all odd integers. What is the meaning of odd integers divisible by 3? Is 3 a odd number? Yes, 3 is an odd number. Next, what is the multiple of 3 after that? 6. Is that a multiple of 6 is that an even number or odd number? It is an even number, so we shouldn't take that. This is not the first element. Then after that 9, yes, you can take 9. After that 12, we shouldn't take. After that 15, yes, you can take. Next 18, no. Next 21, you can take. All the odd numbers only. Till the last term being 99, that is an odd. That is good. The question is, find the sum of all numbers between 2 and 100 which are odd and which are divisible by 3. Okay. So now see, what is the common difference? Common difference is 6. A remaining 3 as it is, common difference, now it becomes 6. That is the mistake we have done from the previous question. That's not a mistake. That question is correct for that one. Okay. This question is for all the odd numbers. A equal to 3, D equal to 6, and Tn is equal to 99. We need to find n. Okay. So a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 99. So 6 times of n minus 1 is equal to 99 minus 3 is 96. N minus 1 is equal to 96 by 6. What is 96 by 6? 9 ones, you will be left with 3, 9 16s. Okay, so and you will get n is equal to 17. So you have 17 terms which are odd integers and which are divisible between 2 and 100. So how will you get sum? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 17 by 2 into 2a plus 2 times of 3, that is 6 plus n minus 1 into 17 minus 1 into 17 minus 1 16 into d is 16. So just check the value of this one, and this should give you what I said before, that should give you the answer as 867. These are the problems from R.D. Sharma. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can please visit, you can purchase that book and you can revise all this again. Alright, so this is about sum to n terms. In the next chapter, in the next lecture, we will see what is arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Okay, so thank you so much.